There continues to be a lot of discussion about the cloud. Should you stay? Should you go? But a lot of that discussion and what's written focuses on cloud benefits and challenges as a whole. The tendency is to lump all cloud solutions together and analyze them in aggregate. As we evaluate cloud solutions, should our process really be any different than it was for on-premise solutions? I would say no, but and you definitely need to judge solutions on their individual merits. But I do think that there are 6 sort of criteria for evaluating a cloud solution that really you could combine with some of the criteria or measures that you've used in the past. So what are these criteria? Well, first would be mobile. I mean, we would live in a mobile world. We're not headed towards a mobile world. We're already there. Expectations are growing that you have a mobile app that you are able to display on mobile devices and different mobile devices. So you've got to look at what the solution provider is planning in that area or already has. Real-time data is another one. People don't want to wait for a batch upload to build a report. They want the data flowing directly from the real-time live data source. Hardware agnostic would be number 3. There's more and more Apple computers out there, and there's this wide array of wireless devices and mobile devices that solutions have to support. So it's not just a Microsoft world anymore. Although it's dominated by Microsoft, we're seeing that people do demand that solutions work on other platforms. Scalability is another, and not just in terms of the scalability of the number of people you have in-house, but you've also got to look at solutions from the lens of, if you're using these solutions with your clients, can they scale up and down to large, complex clients, down to small, very simple entities. 5th would be open architecture. I think in the end, an open architecture is going to win in the cloud environment. And then lastly is need for speed. Certainly the pace of change is only increasing and will continue to do so. And I think the cloud and mobile and many of the things I've already talked about are driving a lot of this increased speed and change. So cloud evaluation really is not all that different from what you've used in the past. But if you combine these 6 criteria with those time-tested measures you've relied on for years, you'll end up with a solution that meets your needs today and probably long into the future.